Okay, so this is going to be a brief demonstration of the 1 minute paper idea that we had thrown out this session on assessment. I like this sort of idea at the end of my Zoom session, maybe even the last Zoom session of a week, and as a way to gather even more feedback to see if students are ready for an upcoming quiz or project in the course. So here's how I do it. I go to my course and I create an assignment. And I just click the assignment button, create new, and something very, very brief. Week 9, 1 minute paper is the title. And I just write to class, please take a minute to write down 3 things you learned in today's lecture. And you can ask a number of things. Do you have any questions about the lecture? What is something you found interesting of the lesson? What's your biggest key takeaway in relation to your portfolio? Any number of things could work here. But my advice, maybe keep it limited to one question at a time, right? So I've got the very short prompt. This is really just something small. I just threw in 1 point, attached the assignment. I checked on text entry only because I just want students to type in right within Canvas. And then I'm not going to worry about due date, anything of that sort. I'm just going to click Save and Publish. And now it's ready to go. So look, when I am in my Zoom session and I am finishing up my lesson for the day, right? I will sometimes say, okay, class, we have just a couple of minutes left. Before we go, I would like you to participate in the 1 minute paper summarizing your takeaways from this lesson. And then I will click on the chat button to open this up. And look, I will copy the URL from this assignment and then paste it into the chat. And so now I'll tell my students, take a couple of minutes to complete this quick assignment, and I will see you next time. And the students can click on that link, be taken into Canvas. I'm just switching to student view so you can see what it looks like. And again, really simple. That's the point. Students click Start Assignment. They type here. And when they're done, they click Submit. And that's it. You get quick and easy feedback, and the students, they take care of that before they leave for the day. So you can follow up with them if they have any questions or express concerns within the 1 minute paper. All right. So again, that's just one way to take this activity. I encourage you to use it and make it your own as it suits your needs. And I certainly hope this is useful to you. Take care.